Welcome, everyone. Today, we're incredibly excited to introduce a groundbreaking program designed to equip you with the skills to master the next frontier of artificial intelligence. We're talking about the 60-day Vertical AI Agent Development Bootcamp, hands-on VAI implementation. In just 60 days, you'll go from understanding the basics to confidently building and deploying specialized AI agents that drive real-world impact. Get ready to transform your understanding and application of AI. So, what exactly is a vertical AI agent, or VIA? Unlike general-purpose AI, a VIA is a highly specialized AI designed to excel within a specific domain or vertical. Think of an AI agent trained exclusively for healthcare diagnostics, financial fraud detection, or personalized e-commerce recommendations. These agents possess deep knowledge and finely tuned capabilities within their niche, making them incredibly effective at solving complex, industry-specific problems. They are the future of practical, impactful AI. The demand for specialized AI solutions is skyrocketing. Businesses are moving beyond generic AI tools and seeking highly effective, domain-specific agents that can deliver measurable ROI. This shift creates a massive opportunity for skilled professionals who can develop and implement these powerful systems. Our bootcamp addresses this exact need, preparing you for a future where vertical AI agents are not just an advantage, but a necessity for competitive industries. Don't be left behind. Lead the charge. Our bootcamp is meticulously structured over 60 intensive days, designed for maximum learning and practical application. We'll start with foundational AI concepts, then rapidly move into advanced agent architectures, domain-specific data handling, and ethical AI considerations. Each week builds upon the last, culminating in capstone projects where you apply everything you've learned to real-world scenarios. It's a fast-paced, immersive experience crafted to make you an expert. In this bootcamp, you won't just learn theory. You'll gain actionable skills. Our curriculum covers designing multi-agent systems, integrating specialized data sources, implementing advanced natural language understanding for vertical contexts, and deploying agents securely and efficiently. We also dive deep into performance optimization and continuous learning strategies, ensuring your agents remain cutting edge. This is hands-on learning that directly translates to real-world expertise. What truly sets this bootcamp apart is its emphasis on hands-on implementation. You won't just observe, you'll build. Throughout the 60 days, you'll engage in coding challenges, mini-projects, and a significant capstone project, where you develop your very own functional vertical AI agent. We provide the tools, the datasets, and expert mentorship to guide you every step of the way. This practical experience is invaluable for solidifying your understanding and building a robust portfolio. This bootcamp is tailor-made for anyone eager to dive deep into applied AI. If you're a software developer looking to specialize, a data scientist wanting to expand into agent development, an AI enthusiast with foundational knowledge, or a tech professional aiming to future-proof your career, this program is for you. We recommend a basic understanding of Python and AI concepts, but our comprehensive approach ensures all dedicated learners can succeed. Upon completing the 60-day VAIA Development Bootcamp, you'll emerge with a powerful skill set. You'll be proficient in designing, developing, and deploying high-performance vertical AI agents. More importantly, you'll gain the confidence and practical experience to tackle complex, industry-specific AI challenges. This translates into enhanced career opportunities, increased earning potential, and the ability to lead innovation in the rapidly expanding field of specialized AI. Ready to embark on this transformative journey? Enrollment for the 60-day Vertical AI Agent Development Bootcamp is now open. We offer flexible payment options and early bird discounts for a limited time. Visit our website at yourwebsite.com to learn more, view the detailed curriculum, and secure your spot. Spaces are limited to ensure a high-quality, personalized learning experience, so don't miss out on becoming a pioneer in vertical AI. Thank you for joining us today and learning about the 60-day Vertical AI Agent Development Bootcamp. We're incredibly passionate about empowering the next generation of AI innovators, and we believe this program is the perfect catalyst for your growth. We're now happy to open the floor for any questions you might have about the curriculum, schedule, enrollment, or anything else.